Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pabi, and if you're new here, kindly please do subscribe so that you know my channel can grow. And subscribing is just the right thing to do, so do the right thing and subscribe. Anyway, in today's video we're getting crafty, so I'll be doing some clay art, playing around with some clay. Saw a video on Instagram where somebody created this and I was like, I want to try this out. So that's exactly what I did. A bit disappointed with number one, how it came out. Okay, that's completely my fault. How it came out is my fault. You'll see in the video, I'll explain. And then the second thing disappointed about, I still have spray paint on me. The color of the spray paint does not look like the cap of the spray paint bottle, so that really threw me off. But it's fine, it looks really good, and I do hope that you will stay tuned and you will enjoy. And if you do enjoy, please leave me a nice comment in the comment section and also like. So yeah, let me not waste too much time. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, cool, let's get started. The supplies are actually very simple. The main thing that you will need is some clay. I got mine at P&A. I've never really used this brand, but I'm pretty sure they all work the same way. And then you're gonna need a bowl or whatever, even if it's like a vase or anything that you want to or take the shape of. So I want to take the shape of this bowl. And then cling wrap, this is for later. I heard, so all my clay projects that I've been making, I've been doing directly onto the table, and I heard the best way is to use wax paper. So I got this at Checkers. If you don't know already, I really like clay projects. I don't know why. I just really enjoy, you know, making stuff like out of clay, like decorative pieces. I've done a few. All this time that I've been doing like my clay projects, I haven't really been like paying attention to like techniques and stuff. I've just been going with the flow. So I recently watched a few videos where you get to learn more, like how to make it like smooth. I often struggle with that, like making your clay smooth. So those are things I'll be sharing with you, like more intense project. I don't think today's project is not. Today's project is very, very simple. Well, I hope, because I haven't tried it yet. So what I normally do is this, getting it soft. I just went to go get some water. I think I'm gonna need it because I see that it's not going to be smooth if I don't use water. I'm just gonna take my rolling pin, and you know what rolling pins do. I'm just gonna roll. It doesn't roll. Wow, this is actually, I can't believe I never used to do this. Cool. I'm excited. Oh no. to be like an organic looking vibe. So since it's already like giving me this shape, I'm gonna follow that. Maybe this will be the center. Okay, so our next step is to take the bowl that you're going to use to take the shape for your new bowl. So I'm taking this one, and then I'm just going to cover it with some cling wrap so that the clay obviously does not stick to the bowl. Alright! Moment of truth. I like this side more now. Like, I don't know if the other side is as perfect. Oh, this is so cool. I'm wondering if this is working. You know why it's not working? It's not working. It's because these sides are too short for the bowl. Trial and error, guys. Alrighty, this is now take 2. I'm gonna try, you know, until I get it right. I mean, I have to get it right. So you can create folds and creases and oh, so awesome. I think I should do this. Hold it like that. However you want it to dry out now, you will create your creases according to that. And then create a fold over here. I'm so excited. I love how it looks already. So that is it. I'm just gonna take this outside, let it dry a bit for a few hours, and then hopefully by tomorrow it'll be fully dry, and then we can see how it comes out. So excited, wow. So it's day 2 of this clay project, and I'm not gonna lie, I did sneak just to see what it looks like. And what I have to say is that I wish I used a more narrow container or bowl, or maybe I could have even used the vase. And so yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter, but it still looks good, but I don't know how it's going to style. So let me just reveal it. It's not fully dry. It's not, but anyway, that doesn't matter. This is what it looks like. I love the organic shape. Like, you don't really know, like, what is this, you know? I love it. I really, really love how it looks. So I'm just gonna quickly go outside to go spray paint it, and then we can see how we're gonna style it. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with